I'm toward the back end of the property, and I'm going to swing around. This is the rear of the property. You can see there's a large incline right here behind me. But this one spot here, as you can see through here, is fairly flat. And with the clearing of some trees, you can see the mountains through the trees. Will be a great view. The path that leads to the house that you see center screen there, it continues up through here. And I'm going to step over these trees so that you can see it. There is a couple of fallen trees that you see there. But you can see where the path comes up through that area and leads up to this flat part of the parcel. There is lots of trees, but there's not a lot of underbrush. It just needs a little bit of clearing. You can see where some of the trees have fallen there in front of me. There's also another path down below at the front of the property that is unmaintained, that's like this one, that skirts the bottom of the property as well.